My name is Sarah, aka Creative Angels, and welcome to my YouTube channel. A couple of weeks ago, I uploaded a video about moderation view on Twitch, and I got a couple of questions about some of the items on that mod view that we will be discussing today. Because I also got a suggestion to add timestamps, I will post all the timestamps right here and in the description below. First thing, as you can see, there are blocked terms and permitted terms. I've got a lot of questions about those, so we will be discussing those today. For the blocked terms, basically speaks for itself. You can add a couple of words that you do not want to be discussed in your chat. I have 129 of them because I also have a lot of buy followers or the best followers are available on. Those are part of my blocked terms. You just click on blocked terms and it gives you the whole list of all the things that you want to have blocked. How to add a blocked term? Just add in a word, press enter, and it will be shown on the list here below. What this actually does, when one of your viewers writes one of those words in their message in chat, it will not be posted, and they will receive a message in the chat by Twitch that no one else can see. The chat message is not within the guidelines of what the streamer wants to be chatted about. Something like that. Mind you, this is different than the Automod. So these are the words that are not allowed in chat and will not be sent through. I will get into Automod in a little bit. Then for the permitted terms, it's basically the same. You can enter a list of words that are allowed in your chat, and that way the Automod will not check if you want that word to be added in chat or not. But also with the Automod, you can actually approve or deny words as well, which will either be added to the blocked terms list or added to the permitted terms list. This next part will be for the streamers and the editors. Yes, there's a difference between being an editor and a moderator on someone's Twitch, but I will be discussing some safety rules for on Twitch. In a previous video, I told you about the creator's dashboard, which you do have access to as a regular moderator, but you will not get many options like when you are a streamer or an editor for a streamer. I will show you what it looks like if you are a moderator and you go to someone's creator's dashboard. You will get a small list of settings which you can change to make the stream a little bit safer. Just keep in mind that you need to discuss the things you want to change with the streamer before you actually go ahead and change it. So right now we are in a creator's dashboard for one of the people that I'm moderator for, just to show you what you can do as a moderator to increase the safety of the stream. I'm not going to spend too much time in that. It's basically just the Automod, the block terms list, permitted terms list, about the bans, block hyperlinks, stuff like that, and the overall safety. But also you have access to the follower mode and the subscribers mode. So for the Automod, there are several levels that you can have your Automod filter your chat. There's different levels of filtering. You have no filtering, less filtering, some filtering, more filtering, max filtering. I would suggest adding it to a level 2, maybe 3, depending on how strict you want your Automod to be. So the higher you go, the more likely that some words will be filtered from chatting. You're going to have to accept or deny the messages in chat more often. Like I said, I would recommend a level 2. That's not too strict, but also not too loose, but it's all up to you. So the Automod itself has 4 different categories, to which each category can, the filtering of the message is higher or lower. That's all up to you. There's hostility, there's discrimination and slurs, sexual content, and profanity. So if you're, for example, if you are okay with swear words, you can put that to a no filtering. Or if you want to have like racial slurs, extra filters, you can put that up higher. Within each of those categories, there's 2-3 subcategories where you can adjust how much you want it to be filtered in your chat. There's also the channel privileges, which means that you can decide whether a viewer needs to have a verified email or phone number or both to be able to chat in your chat. For example, these are all off now, so that means that every single person that comes into a chat can actually message unless you set it. For example, here some chatters must have a verified email. First-time chatters must have a verified email. Chatters without a verified email must have an account older than. You can set this to an hour up to 6 months. And the same goes for chatters without a verified email must have followed for more than 10 minutes up to 3 months. You can also see the second I click on here, the safety icon here goes up a little. So it means the higher you go, the better your security is. Like if I click on a phone verification on all chatters, the thing is all green. And you also have the options to exempt certain people. So like the subscribers, VIPs, and the moderators do not have to have a verified email or phone number, but that is completely up to you. This is just an example. I have mine set in a different way, which I will show you. So personally for me, I feel like it is important to have people in my chat that have an actual verified email. I do feel like the email verification is a little more important than the phone verification, but it's completely up to you. I have mine set that some setters need to have one, and chatters without a verified phone number must have an account older than 1 week. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys found it educational. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. And if you have any friends that need some help with moderating in Twitch, or you just want to make sure that they increase their safety on their Twitch, please send them this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!